everyone, welcome back to our channel The Unidenticals. I'm Lavanya and welcome to Beginner's Guide. In today's video we're going to talk about eye makeup. We're going to talk about different kajals, eyebrows, mascaras and eyeliners. So let's get into the video. So guys, let's talk about eyebrows. Now filling your eyebrows is the most important for your entire makeup. The key for getting a bomb eyebrow is getting a fire eyebrow pencil. Now there are many eyebrow pencils that are available in the market. Now where do you even start? So you have to remember that whenever you're selecting an eyebrow pencil, a super formula can do legit work, remember that. So thankfully I have suggested and I have recently searched and I have used some of the best eyebrow pencils, and here are some recommendations that I will give you guys. Go check it out them, and I will include the links in the description. Here are some of the best eyebrow pencils that are available in the market. Going with the first one, that is a Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, which comes with a spoolie, which retails for less than 100 bucks, available in 6 shades ranging from dark to light. The next one is the Maybelline eyebrow pencil, that is also available in 3 shades and retail for 200, and the formula is very rich and creamy and easily glides on your eyebrow. Next one is Wet n Wild Color Iconic eyebrow pencil. Now this is available in 3 shades and this retails for $2.99, and the formula is very rich and creamy and it's very pigmented. It comes with a dual-ended eyebrows. Now the next one is Etude House. Guys, Etude House also have an eyebrow pencil that retails for around 200, I guess 200 to 300 in between, and this comes with 7 shades, like 7 shades, and they're highly pigmented. Also comes with a spoolie, guys. Do check it out. I will include the links in the description box. So guys, the eyebrow pencil that I use is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. So one of my best friends suggested me about these eyebrow pencils, so I got this in 3 shades, gray, brown and black, and it also comes with brush. This eyebrow pencil is available in 4 shades. These are very pigmented, and also these are smudge free and waterproof eyebrow pencil. Do check it out. These are very budget friendly, guys. I don't know the price of one eyebrow pencil, but I just got the whole 3 eyebrow pencils just for 162, I guess. So do try these ones. So going with the second product, that's nothing but a kajal. Now kajal is very important for your entire makeup. Now recently some of you have asked me to suggest some of the best kajals that are available in the market. So guys, some of the best kajals that are available in the market. The first one is L'Oreal Paris Kajal Mystique that retails for $2.90. This product is richly pigmented and very creamy. It is very affordable, and I think it stays for much longer time, and also it's waterproof and smudge proof. The second one is a Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Eyebrow Pencil. This pencil is amazing, guys, because it's very pigmented, stays for much longer time, and the other best part about this eyebrow pencil is that it is 100% vegan, natural. It is added with vitamin E, which is a very super product and doesn't harm your eyes at all. Now the second one is Maybelline Colossal Kajal, which is something you all guys know. It's highly raved product which retails for 170, I guess. Yes, it retails for 170. It's richly pigmented and a long lasting and a very lightweight. The next one is Lakme Iconic Kajal, easily available and mostly people use this. This retails for 185, and also it comes with a twist up packaging. So do check it out. I will include the links in the description. The other one is K-Beauty 24-Hour Kajal. Now this kajal is also bomb, which retails for around $249, I guess. So this product is also bomb because this product is 100% vegan, paraben free, cruelty free kajal, guys. It stays for much longer time, and I will tell you that it's worth buying. Do check it out. Do try it out. This product is legit. So guys, I'm not at all a kajal person. I'm just an eyeliner and a mascara person. I hardly use kajals on daily wear, or just even in the occasions I don't use kajal. The one that I use is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Okay, it doesn't capture. That's something I will recommend to go with this one. This is very affordable also. For a beginner, you should try this. So guys, going with the third product, that is mascara. Now a right mascara can do magic to your eyes. It can do wonders. Literally, it just open your eyes even though you're looking sleepy, even though you're drowsy. It literally opens up your eyes. So here are some of the best mascaras that are available in the market. Going with the first one, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. Now this is highly raved product. This retails for $5.99. This mascara has around 200 tiny bristles. When you apply it, literally opens up your and lifts your mascara so well, and it also separates each lashes. Like, it literally opens up so well. It's highly pigmented and doesn't make your lashes look flaky. Next one is Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Now this is also easily washable, easily cleaned. It is also waterproof and smudge proof mascara, which retails for $3.99, I guess. So we also have Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. Now this retails for around $4.90 or $4.50, I guess, which have intense pigmentation and intensely it will lift your lashes, and also it stays for much longer time as it is waterproof, easily cleansed, easily removed, and it's very lightweight. It feels very comfortable when you wear. Then going with this mascara, the Blue Heaven Mascara is amazing. It is best for beginners as it retails for just 106 rupees. It is very budget friendly. It actually gives that perfect black jet finish. Do check it out. I will include the links in the description. And the bristles are very good, guys. Let me show you that. This is how it looks. This is how the packaging looks. Now this is available in different shades, blue, green, and also pink. So the bristles are very close. They are very tiny bristles. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, there is some tiny bristles which definitely separates your lashes so well. So guys, the mascara that I use is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now this mascara is also a legit product. This is how it looks. It retails for $3.10. It's a long wearing mascara, guys. It instantly lift your lashes so well. It separates them. It doesn't make you look flaky at all. Very budget friendly. Basically, there are two available. One is washable and one is not washable. Now this one is also waterproof. The thing is that you cannot easily remove it. Like, it stays for much longer time. Even this one you can't remove so easily. You have to put oil and then you can clean it and cleanse it very easily. It is very lightweight, very budget friendly, and I will highly recommend to the new beginners who want to buy makeup and mascaras. And the best thing about this product is that it curls your lashes more than 13 times. Like, amazing. That's what we need, guys. So I will highly recommend this product. So guys, talking about a fourth product, that is nothing but an eyeliner. Now eyeliner is a magical product that literally transforms your whole look. Like, even just a line will totally change your whole look. Now here are some of the best eyeliners that are available in the market, and I think there are many are available, but these are few which are easily affordable and also it's very budget friendly. So here are some of the best eyeliners. Okay, going with the first eyeliner is nothing but an Lakme Insta eyeliner, which retails for 130 rupees and available in different shades. It's a water resistant product, it's smudge proof, it stays for much longer time, and this product is highly recommended for beginners, guys. This is how it looks. That's the packaging. Going with the next one is K Beauty eyeliner, which retails for $4.25, very expensive. I literally don't put so much money on that eye makeup, like eyebrow pencils and kajals, and I just literally don't use much and spend much product on them. But K Beauty is also good. Like, it's highly pigmented, 100% vegan, stays for much longer time. The only problem with this product is that the wand is very long. As for a beginner, it is not suitable, so don't go for it. But if you're really good at art and drawing, then go for it. The last one is Maybelline New York Lasting Drama eyeliner, which retails for $500, and it's instantly pigmented eyeliner, guys. It stays for much longer time and long lasting. Now there are many other eyeliners that are available. You have gel eyeliner, pencil one, you also get a sketch type one, and also a liquid one, but I will highly recommend a liquid one because it's much easier to apply it. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and do also follow us on Instagram. The link is in our description. Till then, bye bye.